It was the end of another beautiful day at Bob and Lamb's arcade. Bob and Lamb and Frogbear were sleeping, and Sal was obnoxiously snoring.
All right, now it's all in place.
And Jody was... Jody? What are you doing?
Oh, hi. I am going to make a sculpture of this bike. Well, not really a sculpture. I'm just inflating the tires is all.
But it's kind of late, Jody. Can you wait till tomorrow to do this?
I mean, I guess I could, but I'm not really that sleepy.
But it's bedtime, which means it's time for you to go to bed.
I know, but I'm not sleepy.
Okay, if you say so.
All right, here we go.
But what Jody didn't realize was that the sound of her inflating her tires on her bicycle was so loud, it woke everyone else up too.
Oh, for the love of Vinko! What is that terrible noise? How's the chief executive officer supposed to get any sleep around here?
Hey, Sal?
What is it, Lamblamb?
I was wondering if that noise was keeping you awake, too.
Yes! In fact, it is! What is this terrible sound?
I was hoping you'd know.
Well, Lamblamb, I, Salvatore, am gonna get to the bottom of this one way or another if it's the last thing I do. Follow me!
But instead of finding where the sound was coming from, Sal and Lamb only found more people trying to stay
Okay,
awake.
Frogbear, it's your turn.
Okay, Bob.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Oh.
Bob! Frogbear!
Oh, hey, guys.
Bob? Bob! Ah! Oh, hey, Lamb. What's up? What are you two doing out here in the middle of the night? Out! Well, I don't mean to complain too much, but that noise is just way too loud for me to Frogbear to sleep. I mean, even with the wool in our ears. Ow! Oh, dear.
Well, I say we must find whoever is making that disturbing noise and stop him.
Say, this looks like a job for Detective Lamblamb, at your service.
How did she do that?
So do tell me, what does seem to be the problem?
Well, Detective Lamblamb, there's a weird noise going around New Roxville keeping everyone up.
Ah! You gotta help us put a stop to it, or we won't get sleep!
Okay, well, I reassure you, Sal, that I will help you find the maker of this tragic sound. Now, Only a weird meanie would make us sound like this so very late in the evening. Lamb, please, I can't do it right now. It's too late. Too late in the night. Who do we know is annoying at all the inappropriate times? Besides me, and would try to wake us up. Who would do such an evil thing?
Well, the mayor's a big... I bet it's the mayor. He's probably trying to wake us up so we move out of New Roxville. That dirty little cheat.
You know what? You might be onto something. Let's head to the arcade to find out who's making that terrible noise.
Seriously, how does she do that?
Mr. Mayor? Miss Mooster?
Oh, hello, children.
Are you garbage kids making that sound?
No. He woke us up too.
That wouldn't have been possible, because you guys came from the upper levels. And that terrible noise is coming from the arcade. I hate you kids, always waking us up.
Mr. Mayor, we have as much of an idea as who's doing it as you do.
Well, Sal, we must go in the arcade and find out who is making that terrible noise. Then let's have an investigation, I say.
Ah, yes, when I, Detective Lamblamb, open this door to this Bob and Lamblamm's arcade, which is secretly mine, Bob Arcade, but I'm trying to be a detective right now. When we open the door, we will find out who is making that noise. Mom!
Oh, kids!
Mom, are you the one making that noise?
What noise? This?
Ah! Yes, that noise.
Yeah, that's me. Why do you ask?
Oh, well, for no particular reason, except for the incy weensy teensy insignificant fact that you are waking the entire town of New Roxville!
What the mayor means to say, Jody, is that it's too loud for anyone to sleep.
Ah. Well, it's okay. Jody didn't know who was waking us up, right? Yeah. All right, so I'll tell you what. Jody, why don't you just work on this beautiful, amazing sculpture tomorrow? So that way we can have the rest of tonight to go to sleep, and then you can have this beautiful thing in the afternoon, right? Well, I would like to keep working on it.
Mom, we have no problem with you working on your sculpture. It's just that it's bothering the whole town and it's waking everyone in the Everland Grizzly Holdings. It's way too loud for anyone to sleep, even with the wool in our ears.
Well, yeah, but I'm just not really that tired yet. I'm not really ready to go to sleep. Then what could be keeping you up? Hey! Guys, that's what's keeping Jody up. She has too many lights on in here. Well, Jody, come on. You can't sleep if you have lights on, eh? Why don't we just shut all these nitty-ditty doodads off? There we go. So you shut these off, and then you'll be able to go to sleep. No. Nothing is wrong with my lights. Jody, are you afraid of the dark? By any chance? Afraid of... No. No, that is ridiculous. Afraid of the dark. Miss Moostress, come on. I am an adult. I am not afraid of the dark.
Okay. Well, then why don't we just shut these lights off so we can all go to bed?
No, guys. There's nothing wrong with my lights at all.
Jody was scared that if she told her friends that she was afraid of the dark,
which I really am.
That her friends would laugh at her.
All right, well, don't worry. Sal doesn't give up yet. We still have a number of things we can try to help our friend Jody go to sleep. And the first is, yes, a lullaby.
So Sal was going to sing a lullaby to Jody to help her fall asleep. Unfortunately for Jody, for everyone else, Sal's definition of a lullaby and other people's definition of a lullaby are two very different definitions of a lullaby.
All right, Jody. Now, I want you to just relax, okay? This may look like a cardboard box, but I promise it will help you to fall asleep. Jody, Jody, go to sleep. Please don't you make a peep. Everyone in the Everman Grizzly homes is trying to sleep. So please just go to sleep. And if this doesn't work, we can try counting sheep. Is it working, Jody? Have you gone to sleep yet?
Well, a little. Not really, no.
Well, of course she didn't fall asleep. It was too loud.
Fear not, Shank Jenkins. We can try counting sheep.
Well, we can, but we don't have any sheep.
Bob, that is a predicament indeed. Who do we know that can be like a sheep? Someone furry with wool.
Are you guys talking about me? Yeah, someone with, like in the prey section of the animal kingdom. What?
And someone who's really cute and good at helping people fall asleep because of her kindness.
What's going on? Oh, I get it. Yep, I get it. I'm gonna go be the sheep. Okay, yep, that's.
And so, Jody tried counting sheep.
Okay, here we go. 1! Ouch!
1,
Ow!
2,
Ow!
3,
1 hour later.
Ow!
1,235,
Ouch!
1,236,
Oh, good lord. How could I?
1,237,
6 hours later.
Ah!
1,234,968,269.
Is that working?
I am getting a little sleepy. No, not really.
Oh, come on, woman! I dropped a billion!
Poop. Looks like counting sheep didn't work either.
Me, 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 me.
Lamblamb?
Me, 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 me.
Lamblamb, wake up. We have to get to the next number.
Me, 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 me. She's stoned out.
It took so long for Jody to count sheep that Lamblamb, Old Mayor Jenkins, Miss Moostress, and Frogbear have all fallen asleep.
Jody, I'm sorry. The best solution I have for you is to turn off these lights.
That's the only way.
What? No! 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 Please! Not my lights! Not my lights! Jody?
Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes! Yes, I am! I'm afraid of the dark! Big old Jody is afraid of the dark! Go ahead and laugh!
I would never laugh at that, Jody.
Yeah, we're friends. We would never laugh at you.
You know, when I was Lamb's age, I used to be scared of the dark too.
Yeah, even I used to be scared of the dark. I still am. A little.
So, what methods did you guys use to help yourselves get over your fear of the dark?
Well, I try to remember that the night is not that different from the day. It's only, darker.
And plus, Mom, the night is so beautiful.
I guess I see your point, but I'm a bit scared to stay out in the dark. Okay, then what we can do is a practice run. I will turn out all the lights individually until we are left with a single one. And I'll go slowly. Okay. Okay, Jody, I'm going to shut off the light that is in front of the arcade. Okay. That was the outdoor light. I am now going to shut off the moonlight. Okay. The moonlight is now off. Whoa! I am now going to shut off the news thing. You know, we've actually never had a name for this. Like, what is this? The news TV? Okay. And now I am going to shut off the security camera.
Wait, Sal. Do I need the security camera?
You're right. It's only for a little bit. Okay. I'm trying to think how we can. Nope. Nope, we don't got it. We do not got it, my friends. We do not got it. Aha! Okay. So now only one night remains. You know what? This light doesn't seem so bad. You know, I wish they made like a miniature light. A light that's like not too big to the point where you can't sleep, but it's not so dark that you get afraid of the dark. I think there used to be such a light in the old Bob and Lamb's arcade unisex bathroom. I'll go check. Let's see. Oh, ouch! Ouch! Ow! There is! There is! There is! Come on, Jody. I'll go get you that light. Okay. That's plugged in there. Now we'll shut off this big light. How's that feel, Jody? It feels great. Good. Yeah. The light isn't so bright that I can't fall asleep, but it ain't so dark that I'll be scared of the dark. Thanks, Sal. Despite what old Mayor Jenkins and Miss Mooster say, and despite what you and the others might think, you're a real cool guy. Oh, Jody, that's awfully sweet. I just feel bad that you're suffering because of a fear of the dark, which is nonsensical. Remember, there's always a cure to anything bad. Thanks, Sal. No problem. Good night, Jody. Good night, Sal. Oh, crap. Now I can't sleep.
His snoring is too annoying.